Got corn in the pantry or freezer? Or you just want a one dish quick and easy meal? We got you. Skillet fried corn. Hey cooks, thanks for joining us. Start with a 1 medium sized non-stick pan or skillet. Add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. On a medium to high heat, melt your butter down. Once that's nice and melted, add in a half teaspoon of better than bouillon roasted garlic base. We're going to merge the two. Once those are all swirled up and blended with your butter, we're going to go ahead and grab your corn. Remember cooks, use whatever you have. This will be 1 16-ounce bag of frozen corn we're using. We'll pour that on in. We will grab our measuring cup and pour about 1 cup of mixed 3-pepper onion blend vegetables in there. If you have fresh onions or peppers, you can use that as well. Up to you. Remember cooks, use what you have. We'll go ahead and stir all those together and get that butter nice and coated on all of them. Then we'll add in 1 teaspoon of Dash original seasoning, salt and pepper to taste or to your liking. Mix all this up for 8 to 10 minutes, remembering to constantly stir. Can't stress how important that is. Go ahead and place your lid on cooks, reduce down to a low heat. Once tender, takes about 15 minutes total.
Drooling yet? That steam means we are almost ready to serve. One last stir to make sure all those flavors marry and nothing sticking to the pan, and we're good to transfer to our serving bowl. Wasn't that quick and easy? See, we told you we got your back. For details on how to store leftovers, visit our website, and while you're there, check out some of our premium recipes. We know you're tired of running out of meal ideas and wondering what to cook, so subscribe and stay tuned for more. We hope you enjoy, and thanks again for cooking with B&T.